yummy, a snack. A snack. What's up, cousins? It is Jay back at it again with a new vloggity. What's more important than this beautiful mug behind this camera is this box right here. I have been waiting almost a month now for these parts from APR through ECS Tuning. I'm not gonna hold you, I'm not gonna talk and show you a damn white box. You ain't come here for that. You wanna see what's in the box and I wanna show you. They always put so much damn plastic in these things, man. Save the turtles, bruh. All right. Great. Box is inside of a damn box. Next clip. A lot of people may not believe that the APR open carbon fiber intake is the best choice, but it is my choice. I did a lot of research across the board for a lot of different types of intakes, like integrated engineering, which I heard is a great one. This is the one that was the best choice for me. I have the APR Stage 1 tune, and I'm just a fan of APR parts altogether, so super excited. Big intake energy. We have the carbon fiber heat shield. This is the metal part that is in the direction of the engine to minimize the heat soak as much as possible. Of course, as I proceed to stage 2 for my APR tune, I'm gonna get like a heat exchanger and just I think I'm gonna go single pulley first. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. But finally, y'all, shit, I've been waiting for this damn piece so long. Here we have the carbon fiber throttle body pipe. I opted for that one. Just aesthetically, it looks better and it also works better than the stock pipe that comes with the Audi S4s. Of course, you can get like silicone or whatever, but I mean, I wanted carbon fiber. I want my engine to have as many carbon fiber parts as possible. So of course I'm gonna do that. And then we have the attachments for the throttle body pipe to the engine to the intake. So super duper excited, man. Oh my goodness. All right, cousins, we are inside the cabin. What I'm gonna do before we put the new intake in there is actually give it a few revs. I'm by myself. Lily is not in the vloggity today. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that gas right now just so you can hear what it sounds like without the intake. That's no supercharger whine at all. That's it. That's all stage 1. I am really excited about this intake, man. That whine is gonna sound so crazy. All right, y'all, let's go. I'm ready to go. Y'all, it is looking all kinds of crazy out here. You can see on this side, it's a little blue, but if you look over here, because of the fires, man, that is absolutely crazy. G-Wagon, G-Wagon, G-Wagon. Let me stop, no copyright. There are ashes everywhere because of these fires, dude. They're all in my car, on me. Jesus, these Cali wildfires are crazy, cousins. We just left Cormotive out in Montclair. Shouts out to Cormotive. They are specialists, man, true professionals when it comes to modding European vehicles. They come highly recommended from ACIE, which is Audi Club Inland Empire. For those of you that do not know, that is the car club that I'm a part of. So they've been highly recommended to me, so I decided to come here and get the APR open carbon fiber air intake installed here. But listen to this. Oh my God, that supercharger. That sounds crazy. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm curious to see how loud it is on the outside of the car, but it for sure is letting itself be known on the cabin for sure. I love this sound. And then when I combine this with whatever exhaust I end up getting, oh my God, that's gonna be so beastie. So damn beastie. Crazy, dude. It's such a crazy difference, man, hearing that supercharger whine. Like the slightest little acceleration, it peaks for sure. Oh my goodness, I'm absolutely in love with this. Shouts out to Cormotive. What's really cool about Cormotive as well is that I was actually talking to one of the employees while I was waiting, and I got to talk to the owner, Dave, who's a super cool guy. He owns this crazy modded purple Audi S4. Typically it's at the shop, they were saying, but it wasn't there today, so I couldn't get any footage of it. But trust me, if you follow Audis on social media, you have seen his purple Audi. It's on air. It's cold, honestly. So we were talking about like the next mods that I'm planning on doing for the S4, but there is a little surprise that we're gonna do when I go back to Cormotive for the next bit of mechanical work that we're gonna do on the S4. I'm not even gonna say anything. I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is. No hints, no nothing. You just have to make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that subscribe button. Turn notifications on so you do not miss the surprise. And go ahead and give me a thumbs up on this video too while you're at it. I'd really appreciate it. So we have an upcoming road trip coming up, cousins. Look at how much this idiot is advancing on me right now. Hope y'all can see. He was coming up pretty fast. I will brake check the fuck out of this guy. As I was saying before, we were rudely tailgated. We're getting ready for a road trip next week, cousins. Close to 400 miles, about a 5-hour drive. I'm in California, so yes, I'm going to Arizona. I do not typically fly to Arizona just because, especially now, for one, okay, listen, I don't like airplanes. I do not like TSA. I don't like standing in lines and taking my shoes off and putting my stuff in the bucket. It's just not a pleasant experience for me. So as always, whenever I go to Arizona, I pretty much drive. I love the drive. I drive a fun and fast car, so why not? This is not my first road trip to AZ in my Audi. I do this often. Unfortunately, with COVID, I haven't done it as much as I normally would have this year. I go out there to visit my mom because she does live out there, but her birthday is next week, so I'm going to pull up on her and surprise her with my beautiful face. But I think I'm gonna do about a week this time, just because the next week, as I stated, we're gonna go back to Cormotive and do some more fun stuff to the S4, which I'm really looking forward to. And so is my wallet. Yay! It's looking hellish out here, man. It's looking real crazy, dude. Like, I was sitting at a light and there was this huge piece of ash that fell on my windshield. It's crazy, man. But hope everyone's staying prayed up, staying safe during these crazy times with all these fires and stuff like that, man. Stay safe, y'all. Be careful. This looks like something out of a scary movie, yo. This is crazy. Dumb crazy. Quick detour, cousins. Had to pull up to Starbucks. I'm actually starving right now. As you see, Lily is not with me, so she wants some Starbucks. So I stopped playing on the back roads and pulled up to the Bucks. I don't know what I want. I mean, typically I really do not like spending a lot of time trying to figure out what I want. So I typically just go with like, oh, if it's cold, green tea matcha. If it's hot, pink drink. But I think I want to do something different. Lily wants a grande iced oat. Wait, hold up. A grande iced oat milk honey latte with pumpkin cream, cold, and foam. This sounds like a damn math equation. What the hell is that? Me, I'm thinking I'm about to do something. I'm just a vanilla bean blended, please. Soy. This is crazy. What's your Starbucks order? Let me know in the comment section below your Starbucks order, or the craziest Starbucks order that you have ever heard. Be it like friend, family member, or some random person in line ahead of you at Starbucks. Let me know. I'm curious. I'm really curious, because I mean, it's not that deep to me, but some people just have laundry list of what they want in their Starbucks drink, which is kind of crazy to me. But no judgment, no judgment, not too much judgment. I'm judging y'all. I'm definitely judging y'all, but not too much. Line is actually moving a lot faster than it typically does. It's your turn, sir. Go up there. Thank you. But I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Man, it's Wednesday, it's hump day. Man, been crazy week. I know I haven't been posting every week, but shit's just been crazy with like the businesses that I own and that Lily owns, and we're scaling, and we're doing a lot of good things with our businesses right now. I'd say that like this COVID stuff definitely motivated me to like work harder and hustle harder. Oh, it's my turn, and let me stop talking so I can order this damn math equation that Lily gave me. Hello, I would like a bacon Gouda.
Sure, one bacon Gouda.
And a grande iced oat milk honey latte with pumpkin cream, cold and foam. I hope you got that.
You know what, I'm following it. Okay, grande iced,
no, it's a grande iced oat milk honey latte.
Yep.
With pumpkin cream.
Yep.
Make it cold and add foam.
I heard.
I think I got that right. It's not my order. That sounds like a math equation.
So, okay.
Let me know what you got.
Okay, so you just want the pumpkin foam on top, is that correct?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
I'll repeat that, hang on. So it was a honey iced oat milk honey latte. It was iced with pumpkin cold foam on top.
Pumpkin cream, yeah, I guess.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, and then my simple drink is just a vanilla bean frap blended.
I like it. Okay, right.
Grande.
Sure.
And that'll be it.
Awesome. I'm looking for 10.90. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Damn drink. She works here and she didn't even know what the hell I was talking about, barely. Damn, Lily. Ooh, yummy, a snack. A snack. Come here, Snacky. It's a green light, punk. Aw, my snack is getting away. Guess he didn't want to smoke today. No gaps for you, sir. He must be an old Navy kind of guy. Beautiful. I'm hoping to eventually get like carbon fiber engine cover, carbon fiber right here as well. But oh my God, this looks so damn good. But Jay, you're gonna heat soak. Honestly, I'm really not worried about heat soaking right now. It's gonna happen. It happens to all cars, let's just be real. Especially with this open air intake, heat soaking is gonna happen. But of course, each mod that I'm doing piece by piece. So as we continue to modify the S4, of course, we're gonna go ahead and get the heat exchanger as well, just to limit that heat soak. But for now, this will do. I'm not chasing numbers. I'm not really out here racing too much, but this will do for now. This is crazy. That carbon fiber throttle body pipe though, that's cold. I think I'm gonna end it here, cousins. That is it for today's vloggity. You know what time it is. If you enjoyed today's vlog, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you do not miss the next vlog. Trust me, you don't want to miss this, and then the vlog after that, and the vlog after that. Go ahead and join the cousins, cuz. And until next time, y'all, GHG out.
I can't stop now, I go all gas, no brakes. Yeah.